Ciao a tutti! Hello everyone! Welcome to Fly High, where you're gonna be flying high in language learning with me, Francesca.
And James.
And here we are for a new lesson where we're gonna be seeing how we're gonna be asking what's your name in Italian. So, are you ready to start, James?
Yes, I am. I'm all prepped and ready.
Okay then, let's explore it together. What's your name? Come ti chiami? That's the lesson plan for today. So James is also a beginner, for those of you that don't know. So he's a beginner learning Italian, so he's gonna make probably a lot of mistakes.
Fresh.
He's really fresh. And so he's gonna be picking up words as we go along and learn just like yourselves here and now, right? So how do we ask for someone's name?
So how would I say, what's your name?
Yes. Come ti chiami? Come ti chiami?
And what about on the reply?
On the reply we go, mi chiamo Francesca. So that translates as my name's Francesca.
Mm-hmm.
You can also go, sono Francesca. I'm Francesca. Or just simply, you just say your name. So you say Francesca. So that's the simplest and the most informal of the three. Just wanted to say that what's your name, come ti chiami, literally that come ti chiami translates as how you call yourself. So that's the literal translation of come ti chiami. So I'm asking you now.
Okay.
What's your name?
Come ti chiami?
Yes. How do you answer that?
Mi chiamo James.
Yes.
Sono James.
Yes.
And James.
Yes. You guys try at home as well.
Not bad.
So yeah, that's pretty simple, really.
Mm-hmm.
Let's move on and see a formal situation now. So a formal situation would go, we have to use the polite form. The polite form is the form with lei in Italian. So we go come si chiama, so we'll have to conjugate it accordingly to the third person singular, or we can say as well, lei come si chiama. So we want to maybe stress the lei, so we can use the pronoun in this case.
Okay.
And we're going to be saying lei come si chiama. The reply is the same. So you go, I go, mi chiamo Francesca. But sometimes you want to say the surname there as well. If it's a formal situation, right? We can go, come si chiama, signore? What's your name, sir? And the person is gonna go maybe, mi chiamo Francesco Verdi.
Mm-hmm.
My name is Francesco Verdi. So if it's a formal situation, we tend to say the surname as well. Or we say, sono Francesco Verdi. So I am Francesco Verdi. And let's do a couple of conversations here. We got some conversations. Okay. So we go, come ti chiami?
Come ti chiami?
Yeah, you go with the English.
Okay, what's your name?
Yes. No, you go with the English answer. So if I go, come ti chiami, you go.
James, and you?
Yeah, so how do you say and you?
James, e tu?
E tu, yes.
Okay.
And I go, Francesca. So we can redo it again. So, come ti chiami?
James, e tu?
Francesca. Okay, this.
Okay.
And now, let's do another one. You start this time and you say, hi, I'm James.
Okay. Ciao, sono James.
And I go, I'm Francesca, nice to meet you. So, e io sono Francesca, piacere. And we go with
piacere.
the handshake. When we say piacere, piacere means nice to meet you. So, let's redo it.
Okay. Ciao, sono James.
E io sono Francesca, piacere.
Piacere.
Okay, guys, so this is how we would enact like an informal conversation. Let's try with a formal one now.
Okay.
So I'm going to be starting. So I go, buongiorno, sono Chiara Rossi. E lei come si chiama?
Piacere,
Piacere, and you go with the handshake.
Piacere, mi chiamo Giacomo Bianchi.
Okay. Okay, for instance, we say Rossi, Bianchi, Verdi, all of these are typical surnames in Italian. So it spreads. Rossi, Bianchi is whites, and Verdi is green.
So like Joe Public, Smith, John Smith, and all that.
Yes, so these are really typical surnames in very, like Rossi is the most widespread.
Okay.
And you probably know the Rossis, like the most popular Rossi in Italian is Valentino Rossi, the MotoGP racer.
Okay.
Yeah. So this was an example of formal conversation. Now let's have a look a little bit at some grammar. So how do we conjugate the verb to be called, which in Italian translates as chiamarsi. Chiamarsi, that's the infinitive form of to be called, to call oneself, and basically it translates as my name is, your name is, and on like that. So you can do the English part, and then I go with the Italian.
Okay, so if I say my name is,
Mi chiamo.
okay, your name is,
Ti chiami.
his, her, or your name is,
Si chiama.
our names are,
Ci chiamiamo.
your names are,
Vi chiamate.
their names are.
Si chiamano. So did you see all these little particles? This is a reflexive verb in Italian. So as I was saying, it translates as I call myself, you call yourself. So mi chiamo is I call myself. Ti chiami, you call yourself. But metaphorically, I mean like figuratively, it translates as my name is, your name is, and goes on. In English, you don't really say I call myself
No,
James.
that doesn't make sense. But it gets confusing if you want to try and get the literal translation, how it works with your own language. So this is the full conjugation for all the persons. So it's pretty easy. I think once you are like practicing, and so to just like say the right in the right way, really. At the beginning, you probably only need to know mi chiamo. When you say your name, mi chiamo James, mi chiamo Francesca, and ti chiami because it goes in the come ti chiami, what's your name. But also, if you want to speak about different persons, you will have to know how to conjugate it accordingly, really. And we have some more examples now that we'll be speaking about different persons. Let's say in English, you do the English ones and I'll translate. Okay, so what if I said, what's your brother's name?
Come si chiama tuo fratello? Come si chiama tuo fratello?
Okay, and his name's Mario.
Si chiama Mario.
Okay. Shall we go in a second?
Shall we go? You want to repeat it as well?
Yeah, we can do, yeah. So if I say, what's your brother's name?
Yeah, what's your brother's name?
Come si chiama tuo fratello?
Tuo fratello.
Come si chiama tuo fratello?
Okay, his name's Mario.
Si chiama Mario.
Yeah. And second sentence.
Come vi chiamate? Ragazzi.
Yeah, you done it first. So what are your names, guys? Come vi chiamate, ragazzi? Come vi chiamate, ragazzi?
Okay.
Our names are Paolo, Luca e Giacomo.
Ci chiamiamo
Yeah.
Marco, Luca e Giacomo.
That's good. Okay. That's good. And third one. What are the names of the 7 dwarfs? I'll do this one. Come si chiamano I 7 nani? Do you know how you call that? Actually?
Oh, don't know. I can't remember the names. Sleepy, Dopey, I think.
Dopey, yeah. Okay, come si chiamano I 7 nani? So what are the names of the 7 dwarfs? And so now we be giving you a few sentences to translate. I'm going to be putting the answers in the comment section down below for you to check out.
No cheating though. Watch the video first, do the exercise, and then check yourself.
Yeah, you're going to find, to be honest, only sister we didn't cover. Dogs, I think you should probably know what dog is in Italian. But yeah, you can check out on the dictionary for sister if you don't know what sister is in Italian. So what's your name? What's your sister's name? What's your sister's name? That is the first sentence. And you go as well with the answer. Her name's Elena. Her name's Elena. Second sentence. What's your name? What's your name? My name's Caterina. My name's Caterina is the answer. And finally, a third sentence. What are the names of your dogs? What are the names of your dogs? And yes, so this is the end of this lesson. So I hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And if you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks again so much for watching. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next episode. Ciao ciao!
Ciao ciao, bye!